Is your Android phone's internet slower than it should be? Either you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 2 quick settings that can help improve your Wi-Fi and mobile data speed on Android. So, let's start. Step 1. Improve your Wi-Fi speed. First, open Settings on your phone. Now tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure your phone is already connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, tap on the arrow icon to open its details. Here you will see several options, including IP settings. By default, it will be set to DHCP. Tap on it and change it to static. Once you select static, more options will appear on the screen. Scroll down until you find DNS1 and DNS2. Now enter the following numbers. DNS1, 8.8.8.8. DNS2, 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers. They can sometimes help your phone connect to websites faster and improve overall browsing performance. After entering the numbers, tap Save. Then restart your phone so the new settings can apply properly. Once your phone turns back on, try opening a few websites or run a speed test to see if your Wi-Fi speed has improved. Step 2. Improve mobile data speed. Open Settings again. Scroll down and tap SIM cards and mobile networks. Select the SIM card you are using for mobile data. Next, tap on Access Point Names. Tap on the active append to open its settings. Scroll down until you find Authentication Type. Tap on it, and you will see several options like select CHAP first. If you don't notice any improvement later, you can come back and try PAP instead to see which works better with your network. After selecting the option, restart your phone so the new settings take effect. If you found this tip useful, give the video a like and consider subscribing for more simple tech tips and Android tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.